Hi everyone, my name is Paresh Joshi. I am a sustainability consultant. My age is 70 and I have been working and I am a great fan of technology. So yesterday there was a webinar on B10X AI tools organized by Adityas, both of them from IIT Kharagpur and experts. I have very high regards for AI and I believe that the new generation or the next 10 years are going to be for AI. And I was looking at several ads in Facebook and Instagram on AI. There are so many of them, but I decided that let me go and attend this workshop, B10X AI tools. So I attended it yesterday and I couldn't believe it was amazing. It was awesome. The content provided, the 11 tools shown to us by this Adityas, they were wonderful. And I'm proud that we have so experts in India who can really bring all of us to that level and make a future of our country bright, and technology can prevail over everything else, and there will not be any layoffs in future if people understand the power of AI and respect it. I am thankful to both the Adityas for their workshop and the knowledge they have provided. Thank you. Thank you, Adityas.